Renner's here. That's it. Morning, Mama. Renner says he's outside, something about a head.
Yeah, I think he's finally come over to fix it.
Thing was like the fog machine. Burn through so much cool, it's retarded. You got creamer?
Yeah.
Good morning, sweetheart. Okay, look. You want to video? Love you. Mars guy. Got my sweatshirt. Oh yeah. Woo. What's going on, Trevor? Watching little Captain Narkill.
Oh, yeah.
Pretty alright guy, huh?
Yeah.
He's real nice.
I dig the stash.
Real nice. Dig the stash?
Yeah.
Everyone's gotta have a stash.
Have the
Morning,
new one sitting
sunshine.
on there.
What do we got going on here?
Just a little 22 RE rebuild.
Fixing the fog machine?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Boner's got to get back up.
Boner, bone stalker boner. All right, well, that's cool. I'm gonna go check the mill.
All right. We'll see you later.
Come here. Woo. Come on, go check the mill. Let's go check the mill. Nope, mill this way. This way. Perfect. All right, so we got Brian Renner here. He's the owner of Boner. It's his shit in my driveway that's all taken apart. The AKA fog machine, blackout highway machine. So we're over here. Mama made us breakfast.
Yay.
Had a pretty good morning.
Chorizo burritos.
Venison chorizo burritos.
Yes.
Yeah, pretty
true.
good. But Mama doesn't think we're gonna get this done in 2 days.
No way.
I don't know. He thinks we are. So we figured we'd let it up to the roulette wheel. So, Ryan, pick your color.
I say bet on red. Boner's red, red all the way, and we're getting this done today.
All right, let's see. If it lands on black, I'm gonna laugh my ass out.
It's landed on red because we're gonna be done.
Oh!
see ya. I got work to do.
Red 27?
27.
Boom!
Red 27. What in the heck?
You got lucky.
It could be. And you swear you think you got all these plugs right?
Pretty certain.
Just gotta keep an eye on a little bit of gas. That shit was dumping gas.
That was dumb.
Kidding.
I'm seeing the 14.
People need more friends like you, dude. But go out of the fucking house looking like a fucking idiot. You need somebody to fucking tell you, dude. You look like a fucking idiot today.